Looking for a secure, weatherproof mobile workshop? Check out this 2025 Ford F-550 Super Duty Crew Cab at Apple Ford of Columbia. Powered by Ford's reliable 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, this 4x4 crew cab pairs with a 10-speed automatic for unbeatable performance. The standout feature is the Knapheide KUV high-roof enclosed utility body, 132 inches long with 73 inches of interior height, remote electric locks, and a 3-bow ladder rack on top. Perfect for contractors, service technicians, and fleet operations that need secure tool storage with full weather protection and maximum interior workspace. This brand new commercial truck is ready to do the job today. At Apple Ford of Columbia, we deliver nationwide, stock job-ready inventory and back every sale with our commercial fleet service center right here in Columbia, Maryland. Call our commercial team at 410-290-1100 or visit appleford.com. We make it easy. Your secure workshop on wheels awaits.